Well, good morning, everybody. We are here at Spinal Simplicity headquarters in Kansas City, and I have Mr. Adam Rogers with us. He is our VP of Engineering and Quality and Regulatory, and we got some really good news a couple of days ago that I would like Adam to share with you guys. So, Adam, what news did we receive on Friday?
Yeah, thanks, Parker. So we are very excited to announce that we received FDA 510K clearance for our Patriot-SI implant. And the unique part about this is our Patriot implant is cleared for a hybrid construct, and that means that our Patriot implant can be used in a same construct with the already cleared Liberty-SI implant to create a stable hybrid construct. So very excited, very pleased to announce this. It's an exciting day for the company and something that we think are going to help our patients and physicians moving forward.
Yeah, I can't wait to tell the market a little bit more about this, but before we do that, I want you to hit on just the unique feature of the Patriot-SI implant. It's cannulated. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Sure, it is cannulated, and I think the big important feature of that cannulation is it allows for reproducibility of the procedure. One of the things that we've seen in the field with other inline implants is it's not always easy to get them in the joint in the right place. Sometimes you'll be off or sometimes you'll miss the joint entirely, but by having a cannulated Patriot implant and running that guidewire directly into the joint, you're able to positively confirm that your guidewire is in the joint. The guidewire stays in the joint the whole procedure, and so you're confirming that you're running the implant directly into the joint where you want it every single time. So we think it'll help reproducibility. There's some interesting and fun parallels to our Minuteman implant that also goes over a wire and uses wire for initial targeting and placement. So we think it'll help simplify and create a very reproducible procedure for our physicians.
And I love this because the engineering team had our customers in mind when they were designing this, our current Minuteman customers, but also just understanding it's an important thing that it's repeatable and reproducible. And so I love that you guys designed it that way. That's so great. So, Spinal Simplicity has really become a company of arthrodesis in the joint, whether that's the spine or the SI joint. We talk a lot about AO principles. So talk a little bit about why it's important that either our Liberty, Minuteman, fixates and leads to fusion and arthrodesis in those joints. So why is that important to us?
Yeah, you're right. We want to take what people have already established and researched and know in the field, those AO principles that you mentioned. We wanted to draw on our experience with Minuteman, which we've had and published successful fusion outcomes with that device, and wanted to apply those techniques, those principles to the SI joint. And so with this Patriot clearance, with this hybrid clearance, you're able to get best of both worlds. With the Patriot, you're able to very accurately go into the joint, decorticate the joint, direct access to the joint so that you can confirm decortication. And then the Patriot device itself is threaded. It's additively manufactured. It's got a porous architecture. Bone loves to grow on that. So we know from our experience with Minuteman that you're going to get a very quick, stable osseointegration. So bone growing onto the device when we use a titanium and HA-coated construct. So you're going to get that benefit from placement of the Patriot device. The Patriot is also able to be packed with graft material. So you're delivering that graft right to your decorticated portion of the joint. And then you pair that with the Liberty device, which we've already seen great outcomes with. And that Liberty device, you're able to actively compress the joint. So you're decorticating, you're delivering an implant into the joint with graft material, and then you're stabilizing by actively compressing the joint. So we think it'll be best of both worlds, and we think we're going to see great fusion outcomes with this product.
Man, Spinal Simplicity just continues to innovate, and I love that. Just this past December, we had clearance on the Liberty-SI Lateral product, and now here we are in April with another product ready for the market. And so we always have our patients in mind when we're designing these and marketing these products. And so that's what I love so much about Minuteman, Liberty, Patriot, and the hybrid approach here. We're always thinking about our patients. So, man, Adam, thanks for your time. Super excited. We're ready to talk more about that here in the next coming weeks, but great announcement today. Thank you.
Exciting. Thank you.